What up everyone, this is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome error code AweSnap status stack buffer overrun error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's two quick ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is just the usual stuff, which is go to your settings, basically clear your cookies, clear your cache, reinstall the browser itself, do a reset, etc., and see if that works. If you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description below. They're fairly straightforward to do. But if that doesn't work for you, the second one, which is what this more tutorial is focused on, is to basically download Chrome Enterprise, which is a 32-bit Chrome version. It's basically the same thing, but it has an enterprise version to it. You just go to chromeenterprise.google/download, just download this specific one. Once you install this, you can even go to the settings and see it won't be 64-bit, it'll be 32-bit. And this specific Chrome ends up working for you, and it just ends up basically getting the job done and ends up working perfectly fine. It's pretty much Chrome, but just 32-bit. So yeah, that's basically, once you guys install this, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please press up, then channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm MoTutorials out. Peace.